Howdy everyone, this is Astha Joshi and you're watching Learning Never Stops. And yes, I'm here with yet another ukulele tutorial, and this is Pyaar today Kya Kiya. Urmila Matondkar, her haircut in that movie, oh my god, she was legit. And then Fardeen Khan, and I think this was some of the suspense movies, whatever. I don't remember much about the movie, but I love this song. So here we are with this quick tutorial on this song. These are the chords, this is the strumming pattern. I know there are 5 chords, but you can see they're all just basic chords, okay? Only basic chords. The strumming pattern, if you already know these things, then skip. Otherwise, here we go.
1, 2, 3,
So the 5 chords are, the first one is A minor. A minor is 2nd fret, 4th string, okay? Then we have F. F will be, don't lose your A minor, just take your index finger, put it on the 2nd string, 1st fret, F. Okay, then we have D minor. Do not lose your F, just take your ring finger and put it right behind your middle finger, that is on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. This becomes your D minor. Then we have G. It is a downward facing triangle. Your index goes on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, your middle goes on the 1st string, 2nd fret, and your ring finger goes on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, G. And then we have C. Easy, right? 1st string, 3rd fret is C. So these are the only chords we're going to use here. So the strumming pattern is again very easy. Down, up, up, down, up, up, down. Okay? So down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down. 3 parts hai. Down, up. Down, up, and the 3rd part is down. Okay, so let's just play on C, A minor, F. Okay, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, this is the strumming pattern. Okay, now let's start with the song. Okay, now I will first show you on single down strums, and then we will do it together with the strumming pattern. Okay, when I'm showing you the chords here with the normal down strums, just write them, they'll help you. Okay, Pyaar tune, A minor, then we go to F, Kiya, back to A minor, Pyaar tune, D minor, Kya Kiya, and then C, back to A minor, F, D, G, Duniya, F, A minor, Khushiyan. Let's do it with the strumming pattern. क्यों ना इसको आइलैंड पे ट्राई करें. It means you can do this song in island as well. Okay, all right, easy for you, right? अब आते हैं to the next part of the song, coming to one of the paragraphs. सारे के सारे paragraphs same progression पे जाएंगे, so I'll just do one of them with you. Okay, again come to A minor and let's go. तू दे रहा है, go to G, एहसास ये C, जैसे कोई मेरे, back to A minor, पास है, one more time. तू दे रहा है, एहसास ये, जैसे कोई मेरे पास है, and stay at A minor. जिसके बदन को F छू कर, D minor, मेरे बदन को, back to F, छू रही है. A minor. हवा. Okay, let's do this together with the strumming pattern. तू दे रहा है एहसास ये, जैसे कोई मेरे पास है. तू दे रहा है एहसास ये, जैसे कोई मेरे पास है. जिसके बदन को छू कर मेरे बदन को छू रही है हवा. And प्यार तूने क्या किया, यार तूने क्या किया. एक ही पल में अचानक दी है नई दुनिया, दी है नई खुशियाँ. Yeah, and you're done. All the paragraph goes exactly the same ways. Alright then, with this we've come to an end to this tutorial. Amazingly easy song. Do try. You can do this on island, you can do this on normal down strums, you can do this on the strum that I told you, or any other strumming pattern that you explore. Keep on doing that, okay? Keep on exploring, keep on learning. I will see you next time. Until then, adios amigos and amigas.